up, boys, girls, and gamers in between? It's your boy. We're back with another episode of Slime Rancher. Let's go ahead and hop into it so we can get rid of the loading screen as quickly as humanly possible. Loading, loading, loading. They're my favorite type of screens. You know, we're going with it. I could edit it out, but I don't want to. It's too much work for cloaking, whatever I said. Alright, last time, I do remember this time, luckily, but last time we were going to feed the cat until it exploded, and I just realized how awful that is. Whew. We're gonna do it anyway, though. I went, and as promised, I went and got the hens, got them all readied up, and we are ready to feed this thing to its heart's content. Oh. Look at this, my boys. We have done it. Look for this stuff is good. Now, I have recently realized I just got an achievement, and that does not show up on my live stream or on my YouTube account. I'm just now recently realizing this, so whatever works, really. Okay, I definitely need to break this open. Got a pink port for some unknown reason. Bullseye. Alright, I also, while I was gone, managed to figure out how to... Oh, that is something new. I figured out how to, Sorry, I'm really distracted by the news. Go that way, apparently. Okie doke. I have figured out, again, how to upgrade my cannon thing, but it's not just the cannon, apparently. I also can have jetpacks, storage upgrades, as well as dash boots, some other stuff, really interesting, fantastic stuff that you can have all the abilities. Like, again, this jetpack. Oh, that's a plort. Got it. Oh, look at the baby chickens. They're gonna get ate, but it's okay. They'll be fine, I'm sure. Or they won't. And give it. Where'd it go? Alright, that is the second time we have now missed a golden slime, which is just fantastic, I suppose. Whatever works. And in the process, I've lost 2 tabby plorts, so... Oh well. All will be made up, hopefully. Now I hear... That's what I was talking about with the jetpack. Actually, you know what? No, we're gonna go ahead and go back. I'm gonna keep these right here. These. You don't get to know what they are, but these. Wow, I can't think of the word chicken for some reason. I'm gonna keep the chickens because I just saw a big old plort over yonder. I'm gonna collect the extra from my area and just feed it to that guy. We'll have a whole video of this. It'll be great. It'll be good times. Also, after this, I think what I'm gonna be doing, if I have the time, not making any promises currently, but doing an actual live stream, mostly just for my Twitch account, I'm not good with the words today. They're just not happening. That's lovely. I love it when that happens. To do some stuff and things. Oh. I'm not even gonna try a voice for her. I don't know. She looks like she'd punch me for trying to make a voice for her. I need plorts. Whatever that means. Well, you know what? Okay. Ooh, you'll give me stuff. Okay, that's good. I like stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all 11 of these tabbies. I think for now I'll just put them in here. 4 of them. The other ones, I know exactly what to do with. Perfect. Alright. Okay, I don't know where it went, but it went somewhere. Go ahead. Very nice. Thought I had another one, but I don't know exactly where it would be. So these are the upgrades I was talking about. There's the water tank to fight off the... Again with the words today. You know what I'm talking about, to fight off the stuff. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get that. What is a power core? Backpack with an almost certainly safe microfusion generator that boosts you. That sounds insanely helpful. I don't really think I need my hearts up, in all honesty. Dash boots and all that I don't need at the moment. Alright, what we are about to do is just collect as much. Oh, and we get to check out these. They're doing. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and cash these in, get all the food we can, and go feed that other plort. Now, with my new editing stuff that I just got, as in earlier, I haven't even tested it out on a full video yet, but should allow me to do longer records, less of the stupid, honestly, and more time to actually play the game rather than me walking from place to place and having to make y'all endure that. So hopefully that'll work. If not, I apologize, and one day it might. And I know she gave me a mission, but I don't need chickens that bad. I have plenty of chickens. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and head back to the place with the stuff, you know, the place with the stuff, the things and stuff. Also, I learned somewhere around here, there is an extra nest. Oh, I keep mistakenly forgetting that my boost to run is also my boost for pomegranates. Is also my boost for my jetpack. So if I run, I use up my jetpack, and if I don't run, I don't get anywhere very quickly. It's quite upsetting. Oh, we've already got a popper. Oh, Yoki. I see myself a little slime key over here. That's good. Do I just... Oh, I just touch it. An ancient key. Okay, new mission for this place. We are gonna go look for the door that opens after I drop off everything in the house. Area. Thing. My base. Or we could just watch slimes commit suicide. That's a fun idea for a good YouTube. Oh my god, that's terrifying. I'm sorry. Jetpack sounds like it needs some maintenance. Okay, what's up here? Okay, there's a whole other area we can go explore there, but that's a later idea. I hope I can jump this. I didn't mean to get over here, but okie dokie. I haven't even seen this area yet. I might have just gone somewhere I shouldn't have. Oh, okay. Kind of shortcut is what we did. Already loving the jetpack. Alright, come on. Let's go do some stuff and some things. Also, with the new editing software, another thing we will no longer have to worry about at all is the video that I had cut off and the last video that cut off. They will not do that anymore because now I can merge videos before uploading them. So I won't have to make a 30-second part 2 video because my recording randomly cut off. I can just go back and do the do. Okay, let's load that up. There we are. And I'm honestly just gonna let the tabby ports run free for now. Hopefully they won't invade my chickens. Alright, I don't need that. And I really don't need these, but... And also right now, another issue I'm running into is I only have one source of income on here. So it makes it a little bit more difficult. Now, I remember we saw... Where did we see that slime door? Don't eat my chicken. Oh, it ate the chicken. Alright, I believe there was something back here. No, this is a different area that I was not meaning to come to. I can't recall where it was. It might have been a little bit further than here. Ah, there it is. That's what I was talking about. That area over there. There's a slime gate at the end of it, if I'm not mistaken. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I want to live. Do. Thank you. I do enjoy life. It's nice most of the time. Alright. So here we go into this area that minorly terrifies me, but it's okay. Indigo Quarry. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is a really good place to be. Oh, now we have a whole lot of exploring to do, kiddos. And there's already a new type of slime. Oh, I've heard about these. These are the boom slimes. They explode. They go boom. Oh, this is about to turn into a infested area really quick, so we're gonna go ahead and go literally anywhere else. I'm gonna keep the boom slime on me just in case it's worth a lot. Oh, we found another Gordo, boys. Oh, okay, well, I tried. I think that's the important part, honestly. Yep. We're definitely going to try to feed him. But I would like to do some exploring first. Would definitely be the first thing on this agenda. Alright, now we have this boy. Oh, that is a whole lot of map. Oh, jokey. Come on. Okay, apparently that's not gonna happen. Let's check what's through here. Because when all else fails, just start going through every tunnel. Oh, and those are rad slimes. Those, if I'm not mistaken, their plorts are worth a heck of a lot. Yeah, only problem. Odd onion, that's also good. But the only problem with the rad slimes is they do damage to you based on how close you are to them. And then there's another type of slime, it's called a puddle slime, and I'm pretty sure it'll be in here. Ah. I'm gonna go ahead and let go of the boom slime for now. Now I know you can't combine these guys. No, I'm gonna go ahead and keep the boom slime just in case. Another puddle plort maybe? No? Okay. Or puddle thing. I don't exactly remember the name, but okay. There's a decent jump between me and here. But I think I'm gonna go for it. Alright. Oh yeah. Okay, I already have 4 rad slime stone stones really. I'm not sure what those are. Oh, I'm aware what that is. That, I now know you have to feed. What do you have to feed it? Veggies, I think. Meat. Is there any meat around here? No. Alright, now I'm getting highly irradiated. Time to get out. Alright, this might have just honestly... No, maybe not. I was gonna say use this area. It doesn't look like it. Another rock Gordo. Okay, that's interesting. I think I might only be able to go so high. So there's a rock Gordo down here. Heart piece, okay. The jetpack is honestly just too much fun to use. Okay, it is time for me to make my leap. That got hacked too quickly. Okay, I'm aware what those are. They're just little things from the farmer who used to be in this area. But I just don't ever get around to them, honestly. because it would take up too much time from the video as it is, so. If it becomes like a demanded thing, I can, but I doubt it would be. Alright, now if I'm not mistaken, this is back where the rock gordo was. Yep. And I have no jetpack. So it is the old-fashioned way. Nope, just kidding, got more. It's always one way of doing it. This is actually a lot accomplished for one video, especially compared to our normal pace. Ah! Well, there's tar music going on, so. I don't know, this feels important. Maybe not. I'm gonna go ahead, head straight back. Oh, more tar music, lovely. Oh, nope, because I know exactly where I am. Alright, for the rest of this video, I think we're going to go back to the base, and I'm going to get words. I promise, I really am going to figure them out. I'm going to go back to, where do you learn words in kindergarten? Probably before that. I don't remember learning words, I just remember it happened. But we're going to go back and work solely on the village for right now, because I'm making no plorts, really. Yeah, I have 6 and 6. Not exactly the best odds. So, I'm gonna go ahead. I really thought I saw one bounce away. But the rad one's there for now. Probably gonna vacuum up the cat. Why did I decide I needed to come here? Vacuum up the cats. Replace them, because I'm pretty sure these plorts should be worth more. That's probably why I went over there, was to check the plort price. So we need boom slime. Was that words? Did I do good? Somebody proud of me yet? 51 and 64. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say these are more important. Excuse me. And nope. Okay, so I'm gonna collect the plorts from this. And hopefully have enough money to start really building up some stuff. Because from here, honestly, I just think our business is about to boom. So I know one of the things I need is a puddle area. And then I'm gonna need... I need auto feeders for the booms. That has got to be a first priority. Auto feeder and a port. Ah, we don't have the money for that. But we do have the auto feeder, and they eat meat. That's interesting. Let me go ahead and get some meat. Alright, well, I have a total of 5 hens for these guys. Let's see if they'll go ahead and eat now, and I can make some money off of them now. I forgot how horrifying that was. Oh god, flashbacks to like video 1. Oh no. I just want your poop, if you don't mind. Wow, that was exciting. Y'all need more food? No? So, back to my previous question, can I put a hen in this? Oh god, I can't. It's mildly terrifying. What do you guys eat? Veggies. That's perfect. That's not perfect at the moment, though. Okie dokie. So, go ahead, go back, hopefully make some plorts. 500. How much is it going to cost me to make a pond? I'll do that right over here. Ah, pond, right there at the bottom. 450, I got enough. So now, and these guys, I know, just eat water. So they'll just make me plorts. Okay. Gotta go and collect the plorts by myself, but... That's right, I've been feeding these guys only vegetables. That's because they only eat vegetables, right? Okay. So that's gonna be competition. Honestly, I'm not sure that I need these guys anymore. I could just move the rad slimes right over. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do is I'll just take their home from them that I them and yeet. Yeet. You belong out there in the wild. Go. Be free. Oh. No, you can't come home. No. Go. So, any plorts left over? Nope. We're gonna scoop up the rad slimes. Now, since they're both so high on the money scale, I would love to do the boom slimes and the rad plorts. But let's think about that for a moment. I don't want a radioactive explosion. If any of you have played Fallout, you know those are bad. Alright, now I never have to get close to these guys, so I'll always be safe. Oh, you're not gonna ever eat that. Here you go. Because I honestly don't need them. Okay. Let's see if they'll eat real quick. Make us some money. Oh, they're eating. Alright, suck them plorts right up. That's what's up. Oh, one more thing before we get off here. I know there is a Slimepedia with these slimes. And now if I start feeding them Oka Oka, which I don't have at the moment, so I can't, but they will give me 2 additional things. If I give them a Briar Hen, they'll give me 2 plorts. If I give them a Clueberry, I've not seen most of these, Stony Hen. And same thing if they're doubled, like if I mix 2 of them together and I give one of them the thing, if I'm not mistaken, if I mix these 2,